Okay, this is the 2001 F-150 5.4 engine that we had an earlier video where shop had told the customer that he needed a new engine computer, and what was actually wrong with it, the reason it wouldn't communicate, was the cigarette lighter fuse was blown. The analyzer uses that as a power supply. So we, in other testing, found out that if we fixed that fuse, that it would communicate. I've looked in the code section, and we have codes P0305 and P0307, which is misfires on number 5 and number 7 cylinders. Now we're going to go into a little secret window called Mode 6 that very few shops use, and it's going to tell us a lot more about that, and we're going to see how things are running, what's failing, and we'll be able to see how many times the cylinders have misfired. It takes just a minute for it to load all the information. As you can see at the top of the thing here, we have several failures. A couple of those are evaporative, but that 5307 shows us that number 7 cylinder was failing. We'll move down to that and enter it in, and we can see that we've had 965 misfire failures in the last ignition cycle. So that's how we can tell just how important the codes are, and it gives us a reason to do more testing. So in the future, if someone tells you you need a computer, ask lots of questions and make sure you really need one. We'll follow this vehicle on in some other videos trying to get it to perform properly. See you later.